Hi guys, so it's time to do an unboxing with NARS because we've got lots of treats to go through. If you didn't know, I'm part of the Friends with Benefits community in NARS, and they have level up rewards, so I've just tiered up and I want to show you everything I got. Okay, so the first thing I got was the new Natural Matte Longwear Foundation. I did a video of this a few weeks ago with my sample, absolutely loved it, realised can't be without it. I've actually got it on now and I've been wearing it all day and my skin just still looks amazing even though it's like 10 hours later. But yeah, we have a new foundation. And sticking with the theme of matte, I went for the Soft Matte Primer, and I love a primer. I love a primer because it makes my makeup last, it makes my skin feel amazing, and this one is a soft matte one, and it's like a cream texture, so when you use it, looks like that, and then it dries down as a matte formula, but it just feels really hydrating as well. Like, it doesn't feel dry, doesn't feel cakey, and look, we're still completely matte. This part, so I kind of just went for it. And then I picked up the Soft Matte Advanced Perfecting Powder. I wear the shade Cliff, which is basically a very thin texture setting powder, so I'm wearing this one right now and it suits me absolutely perfectly. And in the foundation I'm light 1.5, so for reference, but this powder is flawless. It's blurring, smoothing, mattifying. I love it. Should we try it on right now? You know I can't resist a live demo. Such just matte. It's mattifying, but it's not heavy at all, which I really love. Doesn't cake your makeup and just makes it sit absolutely beautifully. I decided to pick some lip products because I don't really own any from NARS, surprisingly, and this is the Afterglow Sensual Shine So I don't really own any lipstick, so I decided to pick this, which is called the Afterglow Sensual Shine Lipstick in the shade First Move. And this is a gorgeous pink shade. Look at that. Absolutely stunning. Like I said, I don't own a lot of lipsticks. I also got the Afterglow Lip Shine in shade 777. You can look up the name, I'm sure you can work it out. But look at this. Isn't that absolutely stunning? Then, because I absolutely smashed the threshold, I got two gift for purchases. So the first one is the Light Reflecting Luminizing Powder in the shade Heavenly. This I saw online. I was like, right, we have to get there because I really want this. And it's so cute. So that's the packaging. And then reveal. Isn't that absolutely stunning? Can't wait to get that on my face. And I also got a mini Afterglow lip balm in 777, which is this one. Isn't this so cute? This is the new packaging because they've done balms before, but they've like completely upgraded them. But it's so cute. Right, so those are my extremely generous presents from NARS. So if you'd like to see any videos using these products, just let me know. And sorry I haven't been talking a lot lately. I had a throat thing going on, but luckily we're back and better than ever.